Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files and materials. Export vector art or 300/600 dpi PNG at final size, and add a 1/8 bleed so cuts don't crop design. Pick substrate, vinyl for outdoor, matte paper for indoor stickers, and confirm the adhesive type. Once done, set the color profile to CMYK for print and proof on screen in the same profile. This reduces surprises. Make sure inks are compatible with your chosen media and that you have spare sheets for test prints. You now configure the printer. Clean printheads, run a nozzle check, and align cartridges to avoid banding. Load one test sheet and print in highest quality or photo mode. Disable auto sharpen and color autocorrect so you control output. Print a color bar and crop marks, then measure density and adjust ICC profile or curves until colors match proofs. Once you verify sharpness and registration, increase speed slowly for production runs, and keep notes of the exact raster and profile used for repeatability. Finish by laminating if needed, then cut. Choose kiss cut for sticker sheets or die cut for individual shapes. Calibrate blade depth and feed rate, run a 1:5 sheet test, and inspect edge quality and registration. Once satisfied, batch process at the calibrated settings. If you see smearing or poor adhesion, troubleshoot. Ensure inks fully cure, check the backing release, and reduce print speed. Those steps fix most issues. Also inspect humidity and storage. Paper will behave differently at high moisture levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.